Welcome to the Futurist Public Intellectual. I've said it before and I'll say it again. The Democrats have an opportunity to liberalize the country if they want to, but they need to get better at ahem, politics. The November 2023 election results in Ohio prove that the cultural winds are changing, and neither political party seems to be ready for them. The Republicans do not know how to staunch a potential exodus caused by disillusioned liberal millennials and Gen Zers, while the Democrats don't know how to mobilize these liberal young people for the future. Let's first take a look at what happened on November 7th in Ohio. Two ballot measures called Issue 1 and Issue 2 were up for vote. Issue 1 was a constitutional amendment to the Ohio State Constitution that would explicitly protect reproductive rights, including abortion, contraception, fertility treatments, and miscarriage care. Issue 2 was a law that would legalize, regulate, and tax adult marijuana sale, possession, and use. Somewhat shockingly, both ballot measures passed with clear majorities voting yes. The Reproductive Rights Amendment is unprecedented in a historically Republican state. While 3 Democratic states passed constitutional amendments regarding abortion after Dobbs v. Jackson, Ohio is the first Republican state to do so. As for marijuana, Ohio became the 24th state to legalize it. Despite all of the doom and gloom after Dobbs, it is time to recognize that American federalism is operating just as it was designed to. The Supreme Court correctly returned the power to regulate abortion back to the states, and the states are now regulating it as they see fit. Now that a red state has a constitutional right to abortion, while 2 other red states, Kansas and Kentucky, stopped anti-abortion amendments to their respective constitutions, the people are now more directly governing themselves. In other words, power is truly vested in the people, just as it should be in America. It's ironic that a conservative Supreme Court is what allowed the liberals in Ohio to prevail. But if you understand how the American Republic truly works, then this is not surprising at all. The conservative justices did not overturn Roe because they were against abortion. They overturned it because it had no constitutional basis. It's only sensible that when governance is returned to the states per the 10th Amendment, some of the political outcomes are going to be liberal. Considering Ohio became more liberal on abortion and marijuana in one blow, I hope the Democrats will be inspired by these results. If they want to become the party of the future, then they need to harness the momentum of the liberal young voters. The yes votes on both ballot measures mostly came from the cities of Ohio, which are enclaves of young people. If Democrats truly care about BGLQT people, now is the time to spearhead a constitutional amendment prohibiting sexual orientation and gender identity discrimination to the U.S. Constitution. If they do that, then I'll believe that the party isn't only paying lip service to liberal causes. Thank you for listening to the Futurist Public Intellectual.